In today's video, I'll show you how to change font size and colors in GoDaddy to make your website stand out. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy's website. Log in using your email, Facebook or Google account to access your dashboard. Next, find Websites Plus Marketing and locate your site. Click Manage next to it, then select Edit Website to open the website builder. Here you can customize the look and feel of your site. Choose the text block or section you want to modify, whether it's a headline, paragraph or call to action button. A menu will appear allowing you to adjust the font size to make it larger or smaller. You can also change the font color to match your brand or just to give your site a fresh look. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks right, then publish your site. And that's it. You've successfully updated the font size and colors on your GoDaddy website.